Hello, welcome, and welcome to this teardown. So we are going to be tearing down an HD 3650. I believe this is a PowerColor edition, if I recall. There's no labeling. The labeling's all worn away, but this is going to be a simple teardown, nothing crazy, just showing you what could be possibly under this tiny shroud. I want to do it for every graphics card ever. It's like collecting graphics cards without collecting them. You know what I mean? Anyway, first thing, gonna need hex 5 screw bit. Don't need that actually, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you're gonna need. Nothing special. Your fan header is right here. So you know. So first we're going to loosen these screws. I'm doing really poorly right now with this. These 4 screws in diagonal pattern, because I believe this is a bare die CPU. This card's dead, so I'm not really worried about it particularly. I keep these dead cards around for parts. This card itself has seen way better days. There we go. And that's really it. If you need if you need to remove the fan, there normally is screw here. It's hard to see this light. Sorry. Screw here, and a screw here. Sorry. Hard to see. Really. And if you need to get these sleds off to, like, I don't know, do something, there's a screw here, here, and here. And of course, if you need to get this off, then X5 screwed it. Honestly, I'm not going to bother taking it off. There's nothing special behind it or anything. This will probably be a video I upload next to a more intricate teardown. That's it for that. I doubt this helped anybody, but hey, you never know. I've helped a lot of people with even some of my more simple teardowns, so makes it worth it, you know? Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next teardown, and peace.